going to take 9 Mile here from the Angeles Forest, we're the bottom, all the way up to the back up to the Angeles Crest. It's a fast flowing road, and we're following a well-ridden, very well-ridden R1200S, a 12-year-old motorcycle. You wouldn't think it could get it done. We come into these fast corners here, left-hander, fast right-hander, left-hander onto a short straight, constant radius, nice sweeping right-hander, and then we get along, get straight, and then with a decreasing radius left-hander, right there, these corners, they open up, both of these right-handers, and it opens up, so you can use the wide. This one, there's a bump right in the middle of it. I don't even pay any attention to it, I don't care. There it is, boom. My 1200 friend doesn't care either. This again, same thing, it opens up. Notice he goes right to that double yellow, carrying great speed. This corner's super fast. He could have taken that a little quicker, but he's doing a great job. Look at him backing into this corner, doing really well. And then we come into this super fast section here. Once he builds up the speed, he carries some good speed. Like real good speed. This one starts off and then gets a little tight, so you late apex right there, then it opens up, and you have these fast flowing section here. This opens up. And I usually use the turnout a little bit to set up. On this one, you roll on, you come all the way up to the guardrail, but it gets a little bumpy, so you got to stay on the front end a little bit. And then these two rights are really, they're quick. As Joey Dunlop would say, oh, they're really quick. This one here, quick. Then you have a little bit of slower left. This one, the apex is right at the yellow guardrail, right there. If you can see it, it's getting kind of overgrown now. On these, this right-left combo kind of is super fast. And then this right-hander goes for a while, but it's really quick. ridden BMW for like a 2 or 3 generation old motorcycle. 125 horsepower, probably very close, if not over 500 pounds. And you see that by carrying a nice line, nice speed, being real smooth, even on an old bike like this, which is more of a sport touring bike than a sport bike, you can carry a great pace. So there's 9 Mile coming up to Angeles Crest right now. And thank you for watching. I hope you got something out of this. And please remember to like and subscribe. Well done.